Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Driveway Engineer. I'm JR, and today we're at the auction yard. I'm looking at some stuff. I thought I'd bring you guys along again, see what we can see here. They got like everything here. I'm bidding on a generator, tractor, some miscellaneous stuff. Whenever I'm going to spend like a fair amount of money, I like to come out and check for sure. Like, here's a Kubota. I didn't even see this listed. I like to come out here because sometimes I don't see the stuff listed. I've got a Kubota without a loader. I don't need another one. There's a quad with plow. I do need something like that. One of the things I bid on was this cool stand-on thing. I'll have to, so when you come out here in person, you can see the lot number, and then you can go back and look it up by the lot number. This thing's gonna run. I'm not gonna screw with it right now. I don't even wanna mess with it. Those Alcoas up there were pretty cool. I'm a little further from work. Check this bad boy out. Whew. That is pimp. I love it. I love it. It's just 7.3. She's stacked. Imagine going to the prom in Kentucky with your cousin in this thing. You would get all of the tail. Wonder how much that's gonna go for. I'm gonna have to kind of figure that out because I don't know where it's here. I want to watch that. I want to see how much this goes for. Oh, it smells. Oh, it smells like a stack of butts. Oh. Like a muskrat got in a fight with a hedgehog. Dressed himself in his guts. Here's a nice camper. If you have like a little bit more cash, like you can probably get this camper. I bet this goes for like $8,500. And then these diesel only. See, this might be a 4BT. This is where we used to get them from. Keys in it. 85 mile an hour is ambitious. But yeah, I did a 4BT swap one time in my life, and we used a FedEx van, my brother and I. What else do we got out here? More stuff I can't afford. Those little Escapes, if you can find them, they're like just dead nuts reliable. They always have a bunch of high-lows. I kind of want a high-low, but I need a bigger one like this to ride off-road. This is what I was trying to buy. This thing's the coolest. I love it. It was already overpriced for me, though. Unfortunately, I'm poor. I'm the poors. I don't know why there's a... Oh, it must be like a skid steer. It's a really nice forklift. That's a really not nice forklift. Probably afford that one. These little mini X's are something I was interested in because I don't expect to get one for $500, but I'll try. I will try. I wouldn't mind having one for chores, especially since I don't have a bucket on my Kubota. I actually bid on this thing. I don't even really want it, but I also don't expect to win it for $500, so there's that. a limousine Cadillac of I always have trucks. Like, count on that. This is probably like, it's a work truck, probably a 350. Nothing special. Smells like Black and Milds in here. It's not the worst smell ever. Got the OBS dash. She runs. Oh, it's bar and chain. That's better. Not as bad as oh, it's a bunk bed. That's kind of a bummer. I think I bid on an air compressor. I don't know. I just kind of throw bids out there. A lot of this stuff I don't really want unless I can get it so cheap that it's a win for me. You know? I think this is the exact excavator that I won. Or that I bid on. I didn't win it. I don't expect to win it. Now I gotta kind of put you guys on pause while I look for the generator. I don't see it. It's supposed to be in 2B, which I think would be that side. I don't see it out here. Probably should have just drove around in my truck, but that's not as fun. Like that other guy was doing. Some cop cars over there. I've won cop cars out of here before. Oh, there it is. That's the generator that I want to win. Yeah, she's a beast. Department of Defense. That's how you know. It's good. The cool thing is it'll come with this cool wheel. These are super durable, and they run really well. I have a bigger one. This is an 802. I have an 804. Yeah, let me put you guys on pause and I'll bring you back. Back in the back. Got a bunch of snowblowers back here. And that's a big diaphragm pump. Anvils, Predator 670. I think this is a big rotary screw compressor. This is definitely a big rotary screw compressor. I think that I can go into this building too. And I think that's where some of the other stuff is. So I'm gonna try to get in there. Try not to freak anybody out. I have a bunch of winches too. 20,000 pound winches. It's wild. Anyway, let's see if we can get inside. Oh yeah, I've been on that big hoist up there. I think, yeah, they got a big Miller. And there's a Bobcat here somewhere. Miller Bobcat. There's a lathe. Man, I'd like to have a lathe. A little bit of everything out here. Yeah, when you guys are looking for stuff and trying to find deals, kind of keep an open mind and keep a little extra cash. You can, generally speaking, find some stuff, especially if you're willing to be patient and just lowball. I'd rather lowball the auction than lowball some poor bastard just trying to get a little of his money back. But toys, there's a bunch of motors, a bunch of random stuff. Let's head to the other building, see if I can film in there. Look at that. Truly, this is what I brought you guys here to see. I made $500 on it. Oh man. She's mint, Clark. AM radio. Oh my goodness, this thing's a beautiful, beautiful truck. I wasn't sure what this was online. It's way nicer than I thought it was. This thing's just tits. I love it. Can't afford it, but I love it. I'll get you guys the dual whips. I'll get you guys the auction number here, lot number if you want to bid on it. It ends in a couple days. So I do want to cruise over yonder. I saw a quad sitting over here. I don't know if it has a lot number on it or not. Oh, these fuel caddies. Kind of want to get one of those. Yamaha. It doesn't have a lot number on it. Must not be up for auction yet. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Thank you for coming along. I hope you enjoyed. Hope it made you think a little bit about how to score some deals. And we'll see you next time on the Driveway Engineer.